how to recover permanently deleted emails from Gmail. So, before we begin, keep in mind that this method does not work in every case. If an email has been permanently removed from Google server, it cannot be recovered. Still, it's definitely worth trying. First of all, open up Gmail app, then sign in to your account. Once signed in, you want to go ahead and simply tap on this three line icon, scroll down to trash, tap onto it, and then check that trash folder. Sometimes deleted email remains there for a period of time and can be restored easily. If you cannot find the email, you want to head over to your home screen, open up a browser, and then in the search bar, you can simply search for Gmail messages are missing. After that, open the Google support paste title as Gmails are missing, and then select computer as your device. Now scroll down until you see the section that says most of my emails are missing. Open it up and then click on We Can Help Find Your Missing Emails and Secure Your Account. Now this will open Google Message Recovery Tool. Follow the on-screen instructions and sign in if prompted. This tool will then check whether your email can be recovered or not. If Google determines that the email were permanently deleted, you'll see a message letting you know they cannot be restored. If recovery is possible, you will receive an additional instruction. That's all there is to it, guys. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.